Which way? This way? Alright. Action.
Good. Good. Entourage season 1. The boy K.O. Choa. Yeah. Young B-Murr. XL. Hey. I got a lot to say and even more shit to do, so I just spit, kick shit like LaRusso. Niggas ain't real, sick of dealing with fools gold. I'm more authentic if I say it than you told. I was told what you give, come back tenfold. Ballin' like I'm a fucking rental. All so simple, discover lost thoughts that I found in my pencil. Back and forth to court, judge fucking with my mental. I just do me, freehand, no stencil. Shorty say, she a believer. Then she got a third strike like Adidas. Adios, baby, I don't really need you. But how I used to beat her, I swear she was a keeper. Fuck love, cause love will get you killed. Give it to die trying, that's how a nigga feel. Shot from close frames to change a nigga mind frame. I ain't getting hit, but I still felt the die pain. My nigga gone, rest in peace, big one for you. I'm Mobb Deep, I quiet storm. Yeah, I get it on at work, I get it gone. Do it for the love of my city, I put it on. That's Baltimore, Trey Foe, G-Burl. My niggas in this the whole world. The takeover for real, the fake over. Niggas out of date, oh, J-Hover. All my niggas know it's dope, we so homer. Never had to pick in the crowd, so owner. I'ma win regardless. When it rain and blows, I knew once I started, they gon' want some more. Though I might seem heartless, still I need support. So to all the artists, it's time we rush the door, let's go. Come on!